couple of thousand years ago in Greece, Socrates was famous for running around asking people questions to help them self-discover. And this has been going on for a very long time. And you would think we'd all benefit from the value of that approach. But no. What do we have with bosses and supervisors? Giving orders all the time. Do this, do that, do it like this, do it like that, don't do it like that, hurry up with that. Boom, 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 all the time. How is it on the other end, the receiving end of this deluge of orders? Not good. People don't like it. Who wants to be micromanaged? Who wants to be told what to do and how to do it all day long? Very few people are in that category. Now, what Socrates learned was, when you help people to self-discover the answer, guess what? They own the answer. Guess what? They're more likely to complete the project based on their own conclusion that they've come to, based on the answer they've arrived at. So rather than thinking, oh, I'm going to shoot out a bunch of orders today and tell people how to do things, stop. Think, right, how can I ask a question of this person that will help them to self-discover the way forward, the next step, the next stage, so that they will have a sense of accountability, high engagement, and commitment to the task that needs to be done. This is a game changer.